Welcome to the Vibrant World of Petunias. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the colorful and versatile world of petunia flowers. Petunias, scientifically known as petunia, are beloved for their dazzling blooms and adaptability. These iconic flowers are cherished for their wide range of colors, ease of care, and abundant flowering. Join us as we explore the vibrant world of petunias. The genus Petunia encompasses numerous species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Petunias are characterized by their trumpet-shaped or funnel-shaped blossoms that come in a kaleidoscope of colors, including shades of pink, purple, red, white, yellow, and even bicolor and multicolor varieties. Petunias' bright and cheerful blooms are a hallmark of gardens and landscapes around the world. Petunias are popular choices among gardeners for their versatility and ability to add vibrant color to gardens, containers, hanging baskets, and borders. Whether grown as annuals or perennials, petunias offer a continuous display of flowers throughout the growing season, making them a reliable choice for floral beauty. One of the most remarkable features of petunias is their adaptability to different growing conditions. They can thrive in gardens, on balconies, and even as ground covers, making them suitable for various gardening spaces. Their resilience and ability to adapt to changing environments add to their popularity among gardeners. Efforts are made to conserve native petunia species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, petunias are more than just colorful blooms. They embody the spirit of versatility, cheerful beauty, and the joy of gardening. Petunias are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to more tropical and subtropical zones. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Petunias are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate and even warm, tropical climates. Some varieties endure heat and humidity, while others flourish in cooler conditions. Soil preferences. Petunias prefer well-draining soil and are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. They tend to thrive in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Petunias require regular watering to maintain consistent moisture during their growing season. They are somewhat drought-tolerant once established, but adequate hydration is essential for prolific flowering. Sunlight requirements. Most petunia varieties flourish in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. However, some tolerate partial shade, making them versatile for gardens with varying light conditions. Petunias offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their vibrant charm into your outdoor space. Container gardening. Grow petunias in pots, containers, and hanging baskets to create stunning displays on patios, balconies, and porches. They are perfect for container gardens. Garden borders. Plant petunias as colorful edging or mass plantings in garden borders, creating a vibrant and eye-catching display. Ground covers. Low-growing petunia varieties can be used as ground covers to create living carpets of blossoms in flower beds and walkways. Window boxes. Use petunias in window boxes to bring beauty and color to your home's exterior, enhancing curb appeal. Mixed containers. Combine petunias with other annuals and trailing plants in mixed containers for a visually stunning effect. The versatility of petunias empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create cascading hanging displays, vibrant garden borders, or charming container arrangements. Thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey into the vibrant world of petunias. Petunias have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their colorful blooms, adaptability, and the joy they bring to gardens and outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a balcony gardener, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of petunias, may these cheerful flowers continue to bring color, fragrance, and a sense of joy to your life and surroundings.